Hello and welcome to India for Delhi 2010, the 19th Commonwealth Games. Well, the sun is out, the athletes are out, and it seems we're in for a wonderful 11 days of competition around this vibrant city. The first time these games have been held on the subcontinent. Delhi 2010.
And she takes what a ride! And the 29-year-old from Delhi, he's a local boy, so there's even more jubilation.
A golden moment for the golden.
Bella Lufu disqualified at the end of that final.
To the front.
Interesting double stroke, look at him.
Silver medal to Sodhi.
A big smile, and well she might. She's had a superb season.
This in the women's team event where world champions Singapore were up against the home team India and of course their supporters.
The punch of the air from the Indian, and she's pulled the match back.
Men's suggestion is that Mutai has got there and it's been confirmed. Mutai is the Commonwealth Games champion, 45.
He's looking for 8 metres plus.
Very clever. Tears flow. 5.
Of Pakistan. Roof to come off this stadium as Sushil Kumar is announced. The hero has taken gold for India.
And his joy knows no bounds.
It's platform, what a
The Nigerians just with a slight edge. English women, they've won it in style for the 5th time. Games, Lewis Francis has taken it. Rashid Dyer, the Jamaican, somehow his country the gold medal.
From Hugo Mamba, 17-14.
This longer form of the game. Australia against New Zealand, who are going for a 4th successive Rugby Sevens Commonwealth gold medal.
The play, and last we see Kitchens.
And we pick up the action in the first half. This one goes all the way.
lead.
So 3-all at Fulters there and then, but it...
Oh, he saved it, Chetri!
9-6.
Has won gold in the men's doubles. The audience is on its feet. Pandemonium has broken out of the Yamuna Stadium. The party begins. Oh, the scenes here are quite sensational.
They take away the highest and lowest score.
Do is to keep those smiles for the closing ceremony.
Operational performances hockey final. India got in for the hockey gold medal game. India will be chasing its first hockey medal of any kind in any competition, and these Aussies will be hoping that their hockey players can do better than their cricketers. With this mixed doubles match, it's Malaysia.
Gold medal! New Zealand put the ball in the ring.
Tears, joy, it's all wrapped up there for these Indian girls of Ashwini Ponnappa and Jwala Gutta. They're national heroes now.
Relief! As much as happiness as games.
It's Delhi 2010.